Hey there, future millionaires! Welcome back to our channel, where we're about to embark on an exciting journey towards financial freedom through real estate investing. If you're a newbie to this world, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to break down the steps and strategies you need to know to become a millionaire through real estate investing. We'll be covering everything from finding the right properties, securing financing, to maximizing your rental income and so much more. So grab a notebook and pen, because you're about to get a crash course in real estate success. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an episode. We're all about providing you with the knowledge and tools to build your real estate empire, one smart investment at a time. Throughout this series, we'll be visiting properties, talking to experts, and sharing insider tips that will fast-track your journey towards millionaire status. Whether you're starting with a modest budget or dreaming big, we've got you covered. So if you're ready to turn your dreams into reality and pave your way to financial success, stick around because this series is tailor-made for you. Remember, it's not just about investing in real estate, it's about investing in your future. Let's do this. All right, let's get started on this incredible journey together. 1. Cash flow. Positive cash flow is the heartbeat of successful rental property investing. It's the surplus income that remains after deducting all property-related expenses from the rental income. These expenses typically include the mortgage payment, property management fees, property taxes, insurance, maintenance costs, and any other operating expenses. Generating positive cash flow means that your rental property is not only covering its own costs, but also providing you with a steady stream of income. Positive cash flow serves multiple purposes. It can be used to cover day-to-day property expenses, making it a sustainable investment. Moreover, it can act as a buffer against unforeseen maintenance or repair costs, ensuring that you don't have to dip into your personal finances. Additionally, cash flow can be reinvested to acquire more properties, further multiplying your income. For long-term wealth accumulation, it's vital to sustain positive cash flow. This consistent income stream allows you to hold onto your rental properties over time, even during market downturns. It's the foundation upon which your real estate empire is built. 2. Appreciation. Appreciation is another crucial wealth generator in the realm of rental property investments. It refers to the increase in the value of your property over time. While the real estate market can experience short-term fluctuations, the historical trend is for property values to rise. There are two primary forms of appreciation: natural appreciation and forced appreciation. Natural appreciation occurs when the market, driven by factors like supply and demand or economic growth, leads to an increase in property value. Forced appreciation, on the other hand, is within your control. It involves making strategic improvements to the property to increase its value, such as renovations or adding additional units. Appreciation can have a significant impact on your wealth-building journey. It's a passive form of wealth accumulation because your property's value increases without requiring your active involvement. Over time, this increase in value can add substantial sums to your net worth. When cash flow and appreciation are working together, you're not only earning rental income but also enjoying capital appreciation, making it a powerful combination for building long-term wealth. Keep in mind that while appreciation is a powerful wealth generator, it's not guaranteed, and market conditions can vary, which is why it's essential to focus on properties with strong cash flow as well. 3. Loan paydown. Loan paydown, or equity buildup, is the process of paying off the mortgage on your rental property over time. This wealth generator allows you to build equity in the property gradually, even as it generates rental income. As you make monthly mortgage payments, a portion of each payment goes toward reducing the principal balance of the loan. Over time, this reduces your outstanding debt. This process is often compared to a forced savings plan because you're steadily increasing your ownership stake in the property. Loan paydown accelerates as you continue to make mortgage payments, which means your equity in the property grows more rapidly. This equity represents the portion of the property that you own outright. When the mortgage is fully paid off, you own the property free and clear, and it becomes a significant source of wealth. Equity can be leveraged to acquire additional rental properties or used to secure loans for other investments. This process, known as leveraging, amplifies your wealth-building potential. It's a powerful strategy for accelerating your real estate portfolio and, ultimately, your net worth. Loan paydown, when combined with cash flow and appreciation, creates a compounding effect that significantly enhances your overall wealth-building potential. As your equity grows, you're not only reducing your debt, but also increasing your ownership stake in appreciating assets, thus compounding your wealth. 4. Tax benefits. Tax benefits play a significant role in enhancing the returns on your rental property investments. Real estate offers various tax advantages that can help you keep more of your rental income, allowing your wealth to grow more efficiently. Some common tax benefits in real estate investing include deductions for mortgage interest, property taxes, depreciation, and the ability to defer capital gains through 1031 exchanges. Let's explore these benefits in more detail. Mortgage interest deductions. You can deduct the interest you pay on your mortgage, reducing your taxable income. This deduction can significantly lower your tax liability, leaving you with more income to reinvest or save. Property tax deductions. Property taxes are also deductible, further reducing your overall tax burden. This can lead to substantial savings, particularly for owners of multiple rental properties. Depreciation. The IRS allows you to depreciate the value of your rental property over time. This non-cash deduction can offset your rental income, reducing your taxable income. Depreciation can be a powerful tool for increasing cash flow while decreasing your tax liability. 1031 exchanges. This tax strategy allows you to defer capital gains taxes when you sell a rental property and reinvest the proceeds in another property of equal or greater value. This deferral can provide you with more capital to reinvest and grow your real estate portfolio. Overall, these tax benefits can significantly impact your bottom line and make rental property investing an even more attractive option for building wealth. By minimizing your tax obligations, you can keep more of your rental income and reinvest it to acquire additional properties, further accelerating your wealth-building journey. Incorporating these tax benefits into your overall investment strategy is essential to maximize the efficiency of your wealth-building efforts. Be sure to consult with a tax professional to take full advantage of these deductions and deferments. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey to uncover the secrets of becoming a millionaire through real estate investing, especially for all you amazing newbies out there. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and share it with anyone you think might benefit from it. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on any future tips and strategies for building your real estate empire. Remember, success in real estate is all about knowledge, persistence, and taking calculated risks. So keep learning, keep growing, and keep hustling towards your financial freedom. If you have any questions or want to share your own experiences, feel free to drop them in the comments below. I love hearing from you and am here to help in any way I can. And last but not least, connect with me on social media for even more valuable content and updates. You'll find all the links in the description. Until next time, go out there and make those real estate dreams a reality. Cheers to your millionaire journey.